I had my Ubuntu installation freezing moments after I started it. Sometimes it would be 5 minutes if I was lucky. Sometimes it was like 30 seconds. Now the way I found to fix this was really only one way. I tried a bunch of different stuff. It wouldn't work. I tried different distributions and all the Debian based stuff would all do the same thing. So this is how I found to fix that. And you have to move quick with this if it's freezing quickly. Go to a console or your terminal. And what you do is you type in sudo space nano, there's the etc default and then grub, and you hit enter, and then you're gonna have to put in your password if you've got one. Hopefully you do. Hit enter after the password and you'll come up with this. Now right here where it's a grub command line Linux default, you'll see something that says quiet splash, and it won't say nomodeset. You need to put that in, and the way you do that is just press down until you go over to it. So yours would look like this, very likely. So you'd want the cursor right there, and then you press space, no mode set. Get that to zoom, there we go. And then what you do is you hit Ctrl and then O, and that would write out, or basically save it. So Ctrl, I can't do that with one hand, that it reaches too far. Ctrl O, and then it comes up to there, write to, and you just press enter. There you go, it's wrote 40 lines, and then you can do Control X and that will close it out. And then you go there, and that should do it, and you're gonna want to restart. Hopefully you haven't frozen it by this point. If it does, you just gotta try it again and again until you're quick enough to get that to take. And then just do the restart. And what I would do after it restarts is just let it sit for 5 minutes, come back to it, and then just try to move the cursor. And if that moves, then you've cured it. This is how I got it to work on mine. Nothing else that I could do would work. This is the only thing I found to fix that. So I hope this helped somebody. Let me know if it did. Thanks for watching.